It was baking day in class, and everyone was excited. Lena carefully decorated her cupcake with rainbow sprinkles. Just as she held it up to admire it, achoo! Sprinkles flew everywhere. The whole class turned and stared. Lena's face turned red, then she giggled. Soon, the others joined in, tossing sprinkles in the air. It became a sprinkle storm. Even the teacher laughed. In the end, everyone's cupcakes looked a bit messy, but also way more colorful. Lena looked at her cupcake, now covered in random toppings. "It's not perfect," she said, "but it's happy." And the class agreed. Sometimes a sneeze can start something sweet.